Good morning. Today we are going to see about life cycle theory of consumption. Before that, myself, Dr. P. Maria Sophia, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Holy Cross College, Tiruchirappalli. Our learning objectives: the learner will be able to understand the concept of life cycle theory of consumption. The learner will be able to analyze the basic proposition of life cycle theory of consumption. The learner will be able to analyze the life cycle theory of consumption. The learner will be able to apply the life cycle theory of consumption in their own life. Modigliani and Anto, American economist, developed life cycle theory of consumption. According to them, consumption in any period is not the function of absolute current income, but of the whole lifetime expected income. In shaping the theory, they have made the following assumption. Individual plan a pattern of consumption expenditure based on expected income in the entire lifetime. Individual maintain more or less constant or slightly increasing consumption level. A typical individual consumes more than its income in the early years, consumes less than his income during his main working years, and consumes more than his income after retirement. When he dies, his saving is zero. The last assumption, he knows at what age he dies. This is what our graphical illustration. See the picture here. Y1 is the income curve, C1 is the consumption curve. A typical individual gets himself employed at the age of 15. Till he reaches 25, this income falls short of consumption. He needs the difference by borrowing between 25 and 65. This income exceeds consumption. He saves the excess income and invests in asset or wealth. Between 65 and 75, his income is less than consumption. He uses his saving to discharge the already incurred debt and provide for shortage after 65 of age. At the age of 70, he dies. His saving is zero. Hence, AHB, that is what our saving part, it's equals to YCA plus BC1Y1. The general consumption behavior shall be expressed in the following functional form, like see here, CT equal to B1 YLT plus B2 YLN minus 1 plus B3 WT, where CT refers to consumption expenditure in the current period. B1 refers to marginal propensity to consume of current income. YLT refers to income of the current period earned by offering labor. B2 refers to marginal propensity to consume of the expected lifetime income, where YLN minus 1 refers to average annual income expected to be earned in N minus 1 years of offering labor. B3 refers to marginal propensity to consume of return on wealth. WT refers to presently held wealth or asset. It should be noted that consumption would not be responsive to temporary changes in current income. Consumption is highly responsive to permanent increase in income. The actual form of consumption function of life cycle hypothesis lies in the fact of arriving at the lifetime expected income. Modigliani and Anto, he was made the following suggestions: YE equal to beta YLT, where YE refers to lifetime expected income, beta refers to a multiple, YLT refers to current labor income. Then the consumption function is CT equal to B1 plus B2 beta YLN minus 1 plus B3 WT. After analyzing the time series data of USA, the economics gave the following function: CT equal to 0.72 YLT plus 0.06 WT. The above equation is the linear equation in which the term B3WT 0.06. WT is the intercept term. It measures the effect of wealth on consumption. If the community income increases by 100 crores, consumption will increase by 72 crores. If the return from the wealth of community increases by 100 crores, consumption will be increased by 6 crores. See here the pictures. This gave the consumption function based on life cycle hypothesis is illustrated in the above this graph. The consumption function based on life cycle hypothesis is illustrated in the graph. CLR is a long run consumption curve. CSR, CSR1, CSR2, CSR3 or short run consumption curve. The short run consumption curves have intercept term. It means APC decline as income increases and MPC is less than APC. As wealth grows, return on wealth also will grow. So this will shift the short run consumption curve up. Thus CSR2 and CSR3 are formed over a time. So the community will move along the long term consumption curve CLR. It means APC remains unchanged as income increased and MPC equal to APC. Here we can conclude, Gardner-Ackley has challenged this theory. Again, it fails to recognize the importance of liquidity constraint and hence self-contradictory, but it provides a convening justification for Kuznets puzzle and Keynesian consumption function. This is what some frequently asked questions, and you can refer this book for your reference. Thank you.